Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade your living space with storage beneath cabinets. Watch now to discover the ultimate space-saving solution for any home. Kitchen storage is often a challenge, especially in smaller kitchens where every inch counts. Fortunately, there are several storage solutions available that can help you maximize space and functionality in your kitchen. One of the most popular and effective storage solutions is storage beneath cabinets. This video will provide you with the ultimate guide to storage beneath cabinets, including the different types, materials, installation process, and maintenance. The importance of storage beneath cabinets. Storage beneath cabinets is important for several reasons. First and foremost, it helps you save space and keep your kitchen organized. By utilizing the space beneath your cabinets, you can store items that would otherwise take up valuable counter or floor space. Moreover, storage beneath cabinets allows you to keep your kitchen essentials within reach, making cooking and meal prep more efficient. Types of storage beneath cabinets. There are several types of storage solutions available for the space beneath your cabinets. Here are the most popular ones. Drawers. Drawers are a classic and versatile storage solution that can be used for storing a variety of items, from cutlery to pots and pans. They come in different sizes and designs, and some even feature dividers or organizers to help you keep your items separated and organized. Pull-out shelves. Pull-out shelves are another popular storage solution that allows you to access your items easily. They are ideal for storing heavy items, such as pots and pans, and can be customized to fit your specific needs. Roll-out trays. Roll-out trays are similar to pull-out shelves but are designed to hold lighter items, such as baking sheets and cutting boards. They are easy to install and can be customized to fit your cabinets. Corner cabinets. Corner cabinets are often underutilized spaces in the kitchen, but they can be transformed into functional storage solutions with the use of pull-out shelves or lazy Susans. These options allow you to access the items in the corner easily. Sink cabinets. The space beneath your sink can also be turned into storage space with the help of pull-out shelves or trays. These options allow you to store cleaning supplies, sponges, and other items that are typically kept under the sink. Materials used for storage beneath cabinets. The materials used for storage beneath cabinets vary depending on the type of storage solution you choose. Drawers and shelves are typically made of wood or metal, while trays are often made of plastic or wire. It's important to choose materials that are durable and easy to clean, as these storage solutions will be used frequently. Installation process. The installation process for storage beneath cabinets varies depending on the type of storage solution you choose. Some options, such as pull-out shelves and trays, can be installed easily with the use of brackets and screws. Others, such as corner cabinets or sink cabinets, may require professional installation. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and to ensure that the storage solution is installed securely. Maintenance and cleaning. Proper maintenance and cleaning are essential for keeping your storage beneath cabinets functional and hygienic. Regularly wipe down the shelves, trays, and drawers with a damp cloth to remove any dust or debris. Avoid using harsh cleaning chemicals, as these can damage the materials. If you notice any damage or wear and tear, repair or replace the storage solution as needed. Conclusion. Storage beneath cabinets is a highly effective and versatile storage solution that can help you maximize space and functionality in your kitchen. By choosing the right type of storage solution and materials, following the installation process carefully, and maintaining it regularly, you can enjoy a clutter-free and organized kitchen for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. For more home improvement tips and tricks, check out our channel.